Did any of these boats look familiar to you?
No, but the boat has to be here somewhere. Come on, Dory, we're gonna find it.
I'm totally excited. Are you excited? Ooh.
Dory, wake up, come on.
Duck!
That's not a duck, it's a pelican! Ah! No! I didn't come this far to eat breakfast!
Hey, Nigel. Will you look at that? What? Sun's barely up and already Gerald's had more than he can handle.
Yeah, reckon somebody ought to help the poor guy.
Yeah, right.
Oh, well, don't everybody fly off at once. All right, Gerald, what is it? Fish got your tongue? Love a duck!
I gotta find my son, Nemo!
Nemo? Hey, he's that fish! You know the one we've been talking about, the one that's been fighting the whole ocean. Hey, I know where your son is. Huh? Hey, wait! They'll come back! Stop!
Dory, keep going! He's crazy!
I got something to tell you!
Mine.
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
Because I can take you to your son.
Yeah, right.
No, I know your son. He's orange, he's got a gimpy fin on one side. Fasten your seatbelts! Everybody hold on!
Mine.